everyone, this is Cassie from Chuangying. Today I will introduce our newly upgraded high-standard dinosaurs to you. Firstly, we made some upgrades again. The most significant change is the mechanical structure. We replaced the collecting rod structure with a gear structure. This way, the movements are more smoother and softer. Second, we have also developed a new movements program that the movements are very smoother and more realistic than previous ones. The density and the complexity of the entire set of movements have been also increased, making it more visually appealing. We also enhance the sound effects, making it look more stunning. Let me show you the new smooth movements effect. So, if you like these newly upgraded movements dinosaurs, please contact us. Hope they will help your business in 2025.